Hey guys, I just want to give y'all a quick tour. This is our last night. We're just going to be quick. This is cabin 2436. And I'm going to turn the TV off right quick.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
And this is our beds. We had two beds. And this is the pretty elephant from my steward.
No, that's not an elephant. That's
a pig. My bad. And from our steward, the wild. He's very nice. This is every day they come clean your rooms. We got a little refrigerator right here, 3 closets. I'm not gonna, everything is mostly packed up. Life jackets, and I think those are extra blankets. Bathroom, real nice and spacious. I'm going to be cleaning up. It's real nice. That look like Rosa Parks, but I'm not sure. On the wall. It don't have a name. It comes with shower gel and shampoo, but we bring our own. You get fresh towels every day. In order to do that, you have to put your dirty towels on the floor, and they will replace it with clean towels. These are our beach towels, and if you lose them, it's a $22 fee. So, yeah.
Can you tell us something?
Mm-hmm.
And also, these giant waters, you actually have to pay for the $3.99 for Carnival Cruise.
Mm-hmm.
These glasses, I think, are free.
Mm-hmm.
But the giant bottles of water you have to pay for. I don't know why.
Okay, so it says here, take me out, sun needed. So it says, please enjoy these beach towels while on board at shore. These are the only towels allowed off the ship and must be returned to your stateroom. If not returned, your sale and sign account will be billed $22 per towel. New towels are available to purchase. Just ask your stateroom steward. So I hope he put down about our towel. He didn't give me another towel, beach towel, but that's okay. I had put, yesterday we went on an excursion, so I put our wet blue towel on the floor in the bathroom for them to take it. So I hope he put down that I did return the towel, because there's only one in here. But he was excellent steward. That was my final drink, the Twilight Zone. It was this one was okay, but the first one was good. So I'll do another video on everything when I get back. So we're gonna call it a night. Okay, see you later.
See you later, guys.
Bye.
Bye.